Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are going to have a walk at the park. The one that we always go early in the morning. We actually just arrived here at the parking that we usually park in the morning too. So what I wanted to show you now is how's the lighting all around the park, and you know we can see the lightings of the buildings, the skyscrapers of around Kuala Lumpur, and hopefully that it turns out to be okay. So I can't wait. um, let's go.
Spending the night in Dixon, 60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Carried it on, cobbling miles as we go, a line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple prose. And I'd find you if I could, invite you to the final act. But I think it's understood nothing good can come of that. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? The fortune lady told my mama before I saw the sun, Said your boy's gonna love too hard and break more than one. You're gonna make sweet women laugh and cry, laugh and cry, laugh and cry. In a whole wide world, laugh and cry. Gonna ask him why, laugh and cry. But you know why I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. I got a black cat charm and a heart turned blue. Got a letter from my baby saying I'm done with you. I'm gonna make you girl, lead me by my hand. Then the crowd gon' cry for the midnight man. Laugh and cry, laugh and cry. But you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn. Laugh and cry. All right, baby. Laugh and cry. That's heartache. Laugh and cry. Laugh and cry.
yeah, okay guys, that's all again for this night walkthrough at the park, and I hope you enjoyed it. I already enjoyed what I have walked through, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again later. Bye for now.